Welcome to Overwatch and welcome to another Daily Brawl. This one is running on a theme. I bet you can't guess what tomorrow's is probably going to be. Today, defensive heroes, same as yesterday. So it's actually probably actually kind of an interesting one because defensive heroes are like the most versatile and scattered. So of course, I've been playing pretty much nothing but Widowmaker every time I've played this and loving it. Same rules as before, 2 hero limit, so you can only have 2 of the same hero, defensive heroes only, as you can see here. And I can't pick Junkrat because we have 2 already. Sounds like they have a Bastion. It's kind of interesting because like defensive heroes are so all over the goddamn place. Look at his heal. Get a kill. Heal. Honestly, I don't know why I'm fighting him like over that way when I could just be fighting him here. There we go. What? I got killed by 0. I'm guessing that's a bug. It felt like I got killed by a venom mine. What killed me?
Here I am.
Anyway, we could probably just like, you know, push.
See through the dragon's eye.
Am I the guy from the video? I'm gonna reply to this guy when I'm not trying to shoot people. And we slowly push what?
I have big plans for you.
Like this is. You really need like a decent widow.
On the way.
Oh fuck, that guy got 3. And I'll reply to this nice gentleman. Yeah, so it's a kind of an interesting one because like Widowmaker counters like half of the defensive heroes. I think Junkrat like is by far the most versatile. If you want a good versatile pick for this mode, you go Junkrat. Junkrat. He's by far the strongest pick. Come on. Oh, for fuck's sake. Can I hook onto this? Yes, I can. Can I jump off it though? No.
My gift to you.
Like a dragon.
Like, that's Widow versus Bastion in a fucking nutshell. He's just gonna stand around that corner, isn't he? Yeah, and that guy's gonna steal the health. If I can get the health over here then. I just wanna leap across. Get behind him. Grab the health back here. May's got the right idea.
Much better.
Oop, that was a bad shot. Where is that May gone?
Everyone freeze. You're not going anywhere. 不许走. No one can hide from my sight. I am taking the objective.
Shit. That's not something I really want to be fighting. Ah! I'll let them try and deal with the May. That's a bad shot by me. Oh, come on, that hit. One more bullet. Like that.
I'm on the objective.
That's why you kill the barriers, by the way, people. When in doubt, always kill the barricades, because you can just shoot into them. So a good tip is after this point, you just run to here, and you can heal. And that opens up, and it's really useful. 2 of your picks, kind of interesting. I'd like some armor, ideally. That would make me a lot stronger. Something up there. Shit, that's not where I wanted to go. There's a Bastion somewhere. He's like literally right above me. Shit!
No one can hide from my sight. It's not you. It's me.
Ah, Widow, you're so fucking good. Sorry, I just... Why does he step back out?
Pathetic.
Pathetic.
No one
Ultimate
can
is
hide
ready.
from
Come
my
on.
sight.
Is there health in here? That was a bad miss. Ah, for fuck's sake, this goddamn cactus. Cactus OP. Whoa! Not a good fight for me. Not a good fight for me. I'm on like 30 health. I triggered her. She must have seen Tracer's bum. What you looking at? Can't stare at that, you'll be offended. I love the fact that that's still going on. It blows me away. I shouldn't mention it here because, oh no, people are going to be commenting about it. In fact, there we go. I've triggered someone. There's a very good reason why I have that. Holy shit! Why you stood still? Don't do that. Don't stand still when you're playing Widow.
No one can hide from my sight.
Oh god! You see, this is the thing with Hanzo. When Hanzo shoots you like that, is my shot was skilled. His shot was random as fuck. That's my excuse when I'm playing against Hanzo. That's always my excuse when I'm playing against Hanzo. Oh well, rendezvous avec le mort. I sometimes speak very bad French just to make fun of my French friends. So I'll say bonjour, salut.
Let's keep this moving.
Let's keep this moving. That's a bomb. He boom. He did not grab the health for some fucking reason. By the way, like Assault Rifle Widow, not actually that bad. Let's go up here and snipe that Bastion. Let's go up there and fall off. Oh god, there's a Mei there. Why do we still have two Torbjorns? This is not going to work very well. There we go, that's better. Like, this is kind of a fun game mode just because the defensive heroes are like the most versatile. Well, not most versatile, they're all very niche and very specific in their usage, but they're very diverse. They're a diverse bunch, a happy crew that do very different things.
No one can hide.
Whoops, I should not have activated that then. They do not stack very well. How did I miss that shot? I caught an icicle to the face. That's fine. We might do the defense on this as well, because that'll be fun. By the way, I am actually using a Widowmaker skin that you can see her gun is pink. There's I think it's called Rose skin. It's very subtle, like it just very slightly changes. What am I walking into? Is there a thing here? By the way, Bastions, like at this point, are just complete hot garbage. As you can see.
I think it's time for us to see other people.
I think it's time for us to see other people. Oh god, I think that hit the...
Let's keep this moving.
There's Bastion over there as well. I mean, I can kill many of them. This is sort of the hard part. This is why you need the Junkrats and the Maze, because they can push. Bastion can't. Widow can't push amazingly. Okay, so I mean, let's spend the latter half of this, because we're probably going to be able to push this to the end. Maybe, and we'll have a 20-minute video. Let's talk about like why you have a sniper. You have a sniper to get picks and to deal with... Oh, for God's sake, Mei, that's not useful.
No one can hide from my sight.
What the fuck? I guess he just landed headshots. You have snipers to get picks. Like, the entire job of the sniper is to get kills. In Overwatch, this is important because getting kills for some teams is very difficult. Like, you'll see teams sort of, I don't know, stagnate almost.
Moving the payload. Backup requested.
Oh god, Hanzo, your hitbox is so fucking weird. There we go. I actually find that it's a sensitivity with Overwatch. Like this is the awkward part with Overwatch, is the sensitivity changes.
30 seconds remaining.
You could probably just stand on this.
I see great things.
I know, but there's a May on it.
Behind you.
Come on.
10 seconds remaining.
We have a Torbjorn with a turret there. We have a Bastion who's just repairing himself. The point of the sniper is you get kills. You get kills, you pick people off, and then other people can capitalize off the back of that, and you can get very important kills as well. Hey, we win. Nice.
Victory.
And as Widow, like, she's so good at doing that. She's so lethal. It's so variable in terms of her usefulness. And in Overwatch, there's so many ways of getting around the sniper as well. So if you are going against a really good sniper, like some people will like have an instinct, and this is true to some degree, that a good counter to a sniper is an even better sniper. But the most efficient counter to a sniper is a Reinhardt, and you just start playing around the Reinhardt, and Widow can't do shit. And this guy doesn't even know he's going to be in a video. Congratulations, Azarel, you are actually in one. But yeah, I'll see you for the next game. I'll play Junkrat for that, so you can see some different gameplay. But we'll keep talking about Widow. Actually, I'm going to leave it on the screen just to have this number up. Good number for a sniper. I mean, in this mode, it's sort of inflated because you're dealing with Hanzo, Widow, Bastion. There's a lot of very easy snipe targets. In general, aim for about 35 to 40%. Friend requests. I always get awkward with friend requests. The thing is, there's a limit on how many friends you can have, and I need the space on my friends list for pros. So if you see me and send me a friend request, I'm probably going to reject it. It's nothing to do with like, oh, I don't like you or I don't appreciate it. It's because I'm a mean grouch that likes to be left alone. No, I need that space for people who are actually my friends, so you know, people I actually know and play a lot with, and then people who I need to have added so I can talk to them, so I can join the join things for spectating, join things for tournaments, follow people for tournaments, that kind of thing. So I'll announce that in the middle of this video, because yeah. Oh hey, Burix is on the enemy team. Burix is a Mercy player. He's currently not playing for any team, I think. He's a legend. And we have Tigol. Is that the real J-Cap? No, I don't think so.
Where did you hide your treasure?
If that's actually...
On your person.
Treasure? Sure, I don't know anything you're talking about.
Yeah, Hanzo. Does Junkrat look like a man who has treasure? Apparently Burix is brought back with him an American. Disgusting.
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
If that Tigol is actually goddamn
不如一夜春风
Jeff.
来，千树万树梨花开。
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming.
Okay, so our job here is to be as aggressive as fuck, because I don't think they can deal with that. Burix apparently can. Jesus. That's what a good Hanzo looks like. Did they jump over my... Go on, step into it. Step into it. Go left. Looks like you really stepped in it, mate.
Oh, just leave this here.
By the way, all of Junkrat's VA is gold. And Mercy's new voice actor. Oh dear. Oh dear. Because Burix is here, that's why we're going to talk about it. Burix and I both kind of agree that... Mercy's... Like, the current Mercy is good. It's nice that she speaks German.
Stop him now. Clear the point.
There's no way I could deal with all of this shit on my own.
See about that.
I'm dealing damage. I'm dealing a lot of damage.
Objective
Oh, they took it. I'm a goner.
new defense.
Oh god, we got Americans all over.
B.
Good luck, this one.
There's Americans everywhere on the EU server.
The hunter.
Thing is, I have doubts that they're going to... This is so dangerous, jumping into the air. Like, they can take any angle they want in because they have Widows and Hanzos. At point, I just got hit by a goddamn...
Much better.
If you ever need burst, use the concussive mine. It's so good.
Personne n'échappe à mon regard.
That's above me. Oh, for God's sake, the platform dragged me away. The platform dragged me away! I was like, why am I moving? I didn't say move left. Oh no, stand on it. Stand on it.
We're taking our points. Everyone work together.
It's a fine. How do you do?
I'm down, but I.
Oh,
There's the
just
point.
leave this here.
Widowmaker here.
No, we're not going to be able to hold this. Well, that was short and sweet. We're going to go on the attack though.
Play of the game.
Oh, Mercy VA confirmed.
Sorry, I was in the wrong voice channel the whole time.
Oh my god, it's actually you.
Hello.
Hello.
I like hearing your soothing voice. I want you to just narrate the whole experience.
I'm absolutely... Well, I'm actually recording this, so I was just doing a video on this mode.
Awesome.
I actually like
what
this
do you
one.
guys- Oh, good. We've gotten some feedback that it works great on control for the defense only, but some people had complaints on attack, defend, and payload. So
I
Just looking
just
for
came off a
feedback.
game on Hollywood, which was alright, but that works for defense heroes, right? It works for Widow, it works for Hanzo, they can get on the high ground, do interesting things, Junkrat can too. So it kind of works on Hollywood. But I'm not sure, like a lot of these I think it's just finding the right maps for the right heroes.
yeah.
Oh, I can't believe that's the actual Jeff Kaplan. I'm giddy. I'm starstruck.
Prepare to attack.
I'm starstruck, guys. And let's go Widow. I'm going back to my girl Widow. He's a higher level than I am. It just blows me away that he knows who I am. Like, it always freaks me out. I had a very good time at BlizzCon talking to a lot of developers and having them say stuff like, oh yeah, we know who you are. And it's like, oh my god.
What do we want here? Let's try it.
Healer? Lol?
I can heal with ice block.
One shot.
Play May.
One kill.
Uh.
I don't even feel the cold.
Yeah, what I really like about these ones is it just lets you play around with various heroes that you don't normally get to play with that often. Like, I'm always hesitant to pick Widow, for example, because we want to try hard and win. In this game mode, I can just pick Widow all day and not care too much.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
I think the limits are working well too.
Yeah,
Make sure we're like not all widows.
it definitely means you're just seeing random stuff. I mean, my favorite one so far has got to be Arcade. Like, that one was just insanely fun.
Yeah, arcade is a lot. I liked Random Hero a lot.
Random Hero is really good, especially when it gave me a Winston and they had like 2 Roadhogs, and I jumped in and just thought, no, this was a bad idea.
4,
I hate everything right now.
1. Attack commencing. Capture objective A.
Oh jeez, oh jeez. Upper right,
Turret then.
on the balcony in the upper right, they've got somebody.
There's also
Turret inside the.
there's a May camping the right spawn as well.
Okay.
Yeah, she come
Go
behind us
for
now.
the May. I'm gonna go get the Widowmaker in the right, right at the spawn.
Oh.
Sniper.
Okay.
I'm sure she has a venom trap.
She's
That's
very
good.
low. I've got her very
Yep,
low.
there goes the... Yeah, she's dead. Good job. I'm just gonna get health and then we'll work our way in.
I'm in.
Live, Mike, live. Okay, ice walled the turret. Oh, Torb is low. Okay, Torb's dead. Be
Ice
careful,
walled
there's a
the turret
turret
again.
when that... Okay, I'll keep the...
Widow
kill
at the back,
Junkrat
right?
I see the Widow.
Guys, I'm playing with Jeff
Shit, I
Kaplan.
died to the turret.
I'm playing with
I'm
Jeff
dumb.
Kaplan. I'm playing with Jeff. Jeff the man
I don't know if you're
Kaplan.
allowed to say that after blocking it 3
No one can
times.
hide from my sight.
Guys!
One after another.
One after another.
Oh, one amongst many cleaning up.
I love Widowmaker. I love Widowmaker so much. I love Widowmaker when I'm not playing against, like, half of Melty or something like that. Or like Mendoku size on the other team just sniping everyone. It's just, oh, this is fun.
Setting up on the objective.
Let's try that again.
Okay, be careful, they've got a Widow right there.
Objective A captured. Commence attack on objective B.
My ultimate is almost ready.
Okay, I almost have ult. We've
Enemy turret ahead.
I've got mine.
that turret's gonna be a problem. Let's take it out. Okay.
Enemy turret down. Enemy turret ahead.
Okay, everybody be careful, Molten Core. Chotsky, I saw that.
Just hiding behind a crate.
Oh god, it's on the platform.
Oh shoot. Team up! Yeah! Do you need health? Oh, we got Torb behind
Go
us.
for it.
I gotta... Oh! I didn't ice block fast enough.
Oh, this is
neither.
insane. This is so crazy.
Okay, I have ult for our next push though.
Enemy turret destroyed.
We need the maze going in together so it's like full ice climber at all times.
2 players.
No one
You have
can
to
hide
roleplay,
from
May.
my sight.
Okay, Widow top right
Sniper.
and bottom
Leave
left.
this to me.
Okay, I'm with you, Mike. Okay, let's get this May first.
Oh, knocked.
I need the health. Sorry. I should have used... Oops, that was the world's worst ice wall.
We got another
Sorry.
platform turret.
No. Where were we?
I'm gonna get the Widow. She's above. Widow's almost dead. Widow's dead. Okay, I'm going for it.
No one can hide from my sight.
Oh my god, I died instantly.
Damn.
Torbjorn's down.
Shameful.
I walked right into the Junkrat trap.
Enemy
Oh, you guys are
turret
doing awesome.
Still behind enemy lines.
You have 4 of them dead right now. They're respawning.
No one can hide from my sight.
There's a Bastion on the point. Or at least staring at it.
Enemy turret
Platform.
Okay, watch your flank. One, you got Widow on the side here.
I needed that.
At least got one of them to blow their molten core for self.
Nice.
Enemy turret ahead.
I need a Bastion.
Bastion behind you, one. Okay, he's dead.
Nice.
Nice.
To see other people. Enemy turret.
Turret on the point.
I put up a selfish wall.
Friendly shot among them.
Molten caught it.
Oh, that turret crushed me.
Yeah, they've got a turret back up on one of those
They've got...
platforms.
Oh, there 3 are behind the point. 4 are behind the point right now.
Enemy turret ahead. Enemy turret destroyed. Sniper.
I think this is actually a ton of fun trying to push with defense heroes.
Yeah.
Like, I get it's not optimal, but it's fun.
Yeah, it works for like a couple of rounds, and then it's like, okay, let's play regular. Like the tank one was also fun because that was just really brawly. Like tanks just want to kind of slap into each other a lot. So
I'm in sort of trouble here.
Hide from my sight.
Junkrat's down. Oh, their Bastion got me to the left.
Okay, I see their Bastion. I'm working the Bastion.
Watch this.
Oh,
Coming up.
No one can hide from my sight.
Everyone freeze. Don't move.
Okay, the
nice
Bastion's
job.
dead.
that
Here
blizzard.
I am.
Oh, guys, I'm being selfish and not commentating much, but
Okay, I think
it's
me, Dying Breed, and Chucky need to group and do the push.
Bastion's down.
I'm waiting for Dying Breed. We're gonna go together.
Alright.
Join me.
Alright, and Chucky too.
Ready to roll.
Damn.
Okay, you guys want to go left side? Or right side, I'm sorry.
Personne n'échappe à mon regard.
wall hacks up. Be careful.
不许走。
Oh, this is bad. Doubly bad.
That's gonna come over the top.
We can go another side.
My wall just got misused. Oh, one down.
I'm
Junkrat down.
I'm playing with Jeff
Right behind you.
Kaplan, guys.
Okay.
No one can hide from my sight.
And I know you're all probably
shit.
saying, ask him about the bar.
Oh,
but
behind Bastion. Oh, that was bad.
that would just be rude.
I believe that was a stealth Bastion that just
Almost
killed
feel
us.
something.
Killed you.
Killed me. Oh, you lived. You're a better person than I am.
Did that?
Oh, that Torbjorn. Like it's so hard to push in when they start getting set up, and they're doing a good job with the Bastion, the Torbjorn on the platforms. It's such a pain. I mean, part of it is like those are feeding me free ults, but it takes every single time, and I can hear Jeff's got an open mic.
Okay, I have ult now.
有本事就过来。
Enemy turret just.
No one can hide from
60
my
seconds
sight.
remaining.
Watch your step.
Oh, I'm dead. God damn it, May. Oh, damn it. This is surreal.
There's my ult. Oh, damn it, I died.
冻住。
I think we're gonna get some kills off the back of it.
Enemy turret ahead.
Jesus, guys, that's Jeff mother-loving Kaplan.
30 seconds remaining.
Enemy turret ahead.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm doing so terribly.
Torbjorn, ready.
It's no worries. You made the damn game.
It's no excuse for being a lousy teammate.
Enemy turret ahead.
10 seconds
Time
remaining.
is running.
No one can hide from my
Need to
sight.
grab the health and then get on the point.
I needed that.
I'm not making it to the point.
I trickled.
I can get that,
Trickled
but
like a noob.
there's not much a lone Widowmaker can do on the point against that.
Defeat.
Oh god, I can't believe.
Play of the game.
Yay!
Hey.
Oh, that was nice.
I'll take it. I think the best one I've had as Widow is one I put on my channel, where it was literally just me firing a spider mine into 6 people. And just the venom damage seemed to tick up, and they just all died with the venom ticking on them, and it just counted as play of the game.
I'm gonna go watch that.
Epic.
It didn't fire
Okay, I
a
need to
shot.
get back to
Always
work.
hit my mark.
I'll see you guys.
Yeah, take care. Have fun making the game, I guess. I love talking about it. Thanks for making it.
Alright, we'll see you guys.
See you. Guys, that was Tiggle. Ah! Ah! I just realised that I didn't even do a proper outro there, so I'll say toodles.